Hey everybody, welcome back to Central Northwest Garage. Today we're going to be working on the 1971 CT70 I posted a video about. We're going to be reassembling the motor. So I figured out what was wrong with this kickstart shaft. Let's see if I can get it to work right when we make this thing run today. I just bought this cheap gasket set off Amazon. I don't want to put a ton of money in this. If this isn't gonna run right or there's other issues, I'm just gonna buy a Piranha 140 and swap that in there like I did to that ATC 70. So let's see if we can get this motor back together. I'm gonna put you guys up on just a time lapse or whatever and get this thing back together. This isn't really a super complicated motor to put back together, so let's get it put back together. Alright, so went ahead and got the motor back together. So now let's take a better look at this CT70 or Trail 70. So this is a CDI conversion. Sorry, just to jump right back, because this is going to go into what I'm doing next. So it's got a CDI conversion. Here's some wires. There's no instructions for me. Here's the little box. I guess you'd call it a CDI box. So has no instructions. So I'm gonna have to try to figure that wiring out. Let's go ahead and get this seat flipped up, because there's some wiring under here. Okay. So this must be to, I don't know. That looks new. That connector. He didn't, the guy, like I said before, the guy I got this from wasn't super friendly. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know any of this. So I'm on some forums trying to figure this out. But here's a better look at the bike, since I never really did a walk around. It's in really good shape. I'm probably going to depersonalize it, take all these stickers off. Odometer says 700 miles, which I kind of believe. It's in, I think, pretty good shape. Needs cleaned up. It's missing this nut right there. But other than that, it's pretty straight. Grips look good. Brakes all work. None of the wheels are locked up. So, still got the headlight. The taillight's busted here on the back. The exhaust, where is that other piece of it? Right here. Like at the end, I'm like, hey, do you have the header pipe for it? And he brought this out of his shed. So we'll fix that. So he didn't give me the foot pegs. Here's a spring to something. Don't want to lose that. This looks like it's kind of hobbled together. So plan of attack is I'm going to try to get spark. I'm going to try to work on this wire harness. I won't film that. I got to figure out what goes where. Here's the stuff from the stator, all these wires. I don't know any of it. So I'll bring you guys back when I figure out the wiring. Since it doesn't have a kickstand or anything, I'm just going to lean it up against this to put the motor in, and then we'll do the wire harness. It's going to be a lot easier this way. All right, so I think I got this figured out. It's honestly really simple. You kind of just match the colors. Screen wires to ground. Match these to this, and then plug those back in the harness. Up here, there's these two wires. I don't know what those are for. I'm assuming for the battery. but I'm not for sure, so we'll set those right there. So what I'm gonna do now is put some oil in it, see if we have spark. I don't have a spark plug for this though, so I just have this random one. It's a used one. I'm sure it's still good. We'll see though. So we're gonna have to get a plug for it. Let's go ahead and put some oil in it and see if we have spark. Let's go ahead and add some oil to it. Spilt a little bit of oil, so it's dripping out. Let's go ahead and see if we have any spark. I'm just going to turn this over with a drill, so I'm doing this by myself. We got spark. Awesome. Cool. That's awesome. I'm sure this thing will run now. Cool. Well, some people are probably gonna frown on this, but I gotta hear if this thing will fire. I'm just gonna spray a little bit of this air filter cleaner in here and see what it does. Perfect, it runs. Thanks for watching. This is just going to be part of, I don't know how many, maybe one more, and we'll have it running. Please like and subscribe, and comment down below what you think. All right.